What is up everyone, JFlores here for the vlog, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a canned sardines noodle tomato soup. Let's go. Intro. Before we start, please do hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you want. So 3 seconds, do that please. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys. So for the recipe today, it's gonna be a part of my canned goods series, especially ECQ pa. So what we're trying to do is, our stock sa mga canned goods natin sa bahay, there's a lot. Instead of just cooking it boringly, we're gonna make it different para mas enticing and mas creative, if I may say. So, you're just gonna need a couple of ingredients, canned sardines specifically, and then the rest you could just tweak a little if anong gusto nyo, what you have at home. Without further ado, game. So that is it for the vlog everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home. That was very simple. And what we're trying to do here is taking advantage of the ECQ, and just instead of those boring na canned goods na ipamimigay sa gobyerno or whatnot, you have stock sa cabinet nyo, might as well turn it into an amazing dish, diba? And you just need a couple of ingredients. Ang dali-dali lang nun. So please do find time to try it at home. And one more thing, if may mga suggestion kayo na what video should I make soon, what dish should I make soon. Please feel free to comment down below. Never forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you will share it on Facebook or anywhere else. Okay? God bless. Peace.